How's it going, guys? Begin. So Pace 14. So right now we're in a hurry. So gonna get my stuff. So wait lang. Okay. So I'll fix this. So this is all my stuff. Yeah. As you can see, this is all my stuff. All of here. Cell phones.
Saan ba dyan?
Hindi ko po alam dito. So see you guys later. Bye.
Bagong bayan. Anytime. Apak.
Mga ma'am. Mga 12 po.
Ha?
After 12. Wala pa po yung delivery.
So ayun po, no, kakatapos lang namin bumili ng pansit Malabon para kay Lola. Di ba po, Mama?
Yes!
Yeah. Kakatapos lang namin bumili. So next stop, saan po, Ma?
Sisimba.
Sisimba.
St. Jerome, Paris.
St. Jerome Paris. So see you guys again.
Dami. Saan kaya pupunta yan? Sa global.
Hindi, tapos na ito.
Ang dami.
Did you see that, guys? Did you see that?
Anong kotse yun?
It's freaking real.
There are Ferrari and Lamborghini. Look at my chicks.
So see you later, guys. Just wanted to share what I see on the road. So yeah, bye. Ayun po ng mga dito. So yun po, no? Nagpa-reserve lang po kami sa Chili's ng pagkain. Ayan po, makikita nyo, Chili's. Ayan. So makikita nyo, dito muna tayo sa munting playground. So try ko pong gumawa ng cinematic. Yeah. So let's get to this. Ilang oras daw hintayin natin, Ma?
30 minutes. Paalis pa lang sila.
30 minutes. 30 minutes. Tignan nyo po yung kung gaano karami yung pila, no? Yan po, nakikita nyo yun. Kasi wala po akong zoom, kaya ang pangit. Oh,
Paalis pa lang daw sila.
alis pala sila sa amin. Wala
Ay,
akong zoom.
mag-skyway yun.
Wala po akong zoom.
Baka
Okay.
15 minutes na ito na yun.
30 minutes po. Hindi ko kaya yun.
Hopefully daw.
Hopefully.
Hindi aabot ng 30 minutes.
Hindi aabot ng 30 minutes.
Yun daw mga nag-aantay dyan kanina, 7 minutes.
Sige po. So, sige. See you guys later. Bye. Yun na guys, nakapasok na tayo. Sobrang dami ng taon. Grabe.
Kalipas sa sunod na.
Magdadagdag na.
Yes, my father, kung mag-add na lang po tayo ng tables. Para for the meantime po. Thank you so much.
So yun na guys, hindi po to bayad na advertisement. So see you. How's it going guys? We gotta show you our first working. So right now, we're having fun on time zone. So I don't need to vlog here. So we will play and play and play. So I'm sorry guys that I will not bring you here. So bye.